Alaska, 14,000 years ago. A vast land covered in ice and snow. A wide range of monsters roamed the lands. During the frigid days of the Pleistocene, the woolly mammoth munched on a variety of Ice Age plants. The woolly mammoth and its ancestors lived on Earth for 5 million years, and the huge beasts evolved and weathered several ice ages. During this period, herds of mammoths, reindeer and woolly rhinoceroses thrived in the cold and snowy conditions. Despite the cold, a lot of vegetation grew to keep the various species of animals alive. Grass, flowers, plants, and small shrubs would all have been eaten by the vegetarian mammoths, who probably used their tusks to shovel snow aside and are likely to have used their trunks to uproot tough grasses. Mammoths could travel a distance equivalent of going around the world twice during their lifetime, and fossil records show they lived on all continents except Australia and South America. It was thought that mammoths began to go extinct then, but we also found they actually survived beyond the Ice Age, all in different regions of the Arctic and into the Holocene, the time that we are currently living in, far longer than scientists realized. Bison would have had multiple advantages over other large herbivores. For example, their multiple stomachs probably allowed them to extract maximum nutrition from their food. And they need not have won every battle they engaged in. Horses roamed the North American continent for thousands of years before their disappearance and reintroduction by Spanish conquistadors and adventurers in the 1500s. Tiny samples of soil from Canadian permafrost reveal that they lived there alongside megafauna such as mammoths far longer than previously thought. Through limited sampling of the snow leopard genome, researchers have discovered that, during the Pleistocene, the animals underwent a severe population decline that reduced their genetic variation. Saber-tooths ranged widely throughout North and South America and are related to modern cats. However, no real descendants of the saber-tooth cat are alive today. Stalking and preying on everything. The saber-tooth was the deadliest predator that walked the earth at the time. With huge razor-sharp fangs and dagger-like claws, it was capable of bringing down a mammoth all alone. The monsters of the Ice Age had to be some of the scariest man has ever came face to face with.